Hello friends, in the previous section we saw how to make an app in our Django project. So we just made a app main. You can see here I am an app main. So this is my main app file, main app Django server. So in today's section we are gonna see a static files. So static file help us to store a picture, txt and lot of files in one place. So for use that, open Python. So create a new directory in your main app and write static. Okay, and again create a new directory and name it again your app name, app main. So this is our static folder. In here you can add any content you want. So first I am gonna add a file and name it text.txt. So in text.txt file, okay, in here I am gonna just write this is my static text file. Just save it. Okay. But first I'm gonna just change a few things in my views. I'm gonna use a render in here in views.py. Okay, I'm gonna return a render, but for that I want to make a new templates. So for that, in here just make a new directory templates and again create a new directory, same name, app main. Okay, this is my templates, and now I'm gonna just create a new HTML file, index.html. This is my index.html. Okay, and in here I'm gonna use my templates and static file. So enter here, or I'm gonna just simply use that static file, static files. So click here to redirect my new text static file. And okay, so just this now, Control S, and for use this in here I'm gonna just first argument is request, and the second is app main, and our file name is index.html. okay, save it. Let's reload this file. You can see we got static file. Click here to redirect my new text static file. Okay, I forgot to put s in here, so just open Python. I put s here. Okay, now how to use this txt file in here in this or index.html. So for that I'm gonna use is @ first we want to use a load or static file, and for that just simply use, so just simply click here and enter load statics. Okay, this is a simple command, and now I'm gonna use this static in here in the tag ahref equal to, and in here just use percentage static and enter name of your path static file. So mine is app main, and or txt file. So name is text.txt. okay, you can see in our static app main text.txt, or just simply close this statement in here by percentage close and close these two. okay, and I'm gonna just click here. okay, Control S, open. okay, reload this. Let's try. Click here. Oh, page not found. App main and text.txt. Static app main and text.txt not found. okay, let's try this again. okay, this is the problem here. You can see I put .text in here, but you can see this is not a text file. So just I'm gonna remove this. Control S and open Chrome and reload this file, and let's try this again. okay, click here. Oh, you can see the download file. The file is downloaded in my PC. You can see text. When I open this, you can see I have this file, and when I am gonna just add a extension .text in here. So I have already text.txt. let's see this again. okay, you can see this is my static text file. okay, this is run successfully. What I want to do is I'm gonna just delete this and create new file. okay, I'm gonna use a picture here. This time I'm gonna just copy any picture here and paste in static directory in app main file, and just paste it and name same it is image.png, and I'm gonna remove this img.png. Control S, reload this file again, and when I click here, you can see the file is opened here. okay, boom. So that's how you can use your static files in here. So that is it for today, guys. In the next video we are gonna see some interesting stuff, and today we saw some how to use static file in Django. If you like my video, like, share, comment and subscribe.